All right, that's my 4 pounds of frozen shredded hash browns. I have 1 dozen eggs with some heavy cream that I scrambled. And we're just pouring that right on top of our frozen hash browns. Yum. All right, I'm coming in with my bacon here, and we're gonna put it right on this side of our grill. And we're just gonna go ahead and grab our tongs, and we are going to separate our bacon so that they're flat on our grill in 1 layer. So let's do that super quick. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and season our eggs and our hash browns with some onion powder. Now you can season this however you season your eggs, however you like it, but this is gonna be how I like it. Yum. Then we're gonna add some fresh garlic here, and we're just gonna do a nice little light sprinkle. Don't worry, I will mix this all together. And of course, we're gonna do some salt. Now, if you're worried about the sodium, you can skip it, and we'll also get some flavor and some saltiness from our bacon. We're gonna do some black pepper here. Gotta have pepper in your eggs. That is a must for me. But this is such an easy and delicious breakfast for a big crowd. Now, before we start mixing this, I'm gonna add some smoked paprika right on there. Now, this is gonna take a bit, probably just as long as the bacon will take because those hash browns are frozen. All right, we're coming with our spatulas, and we're gonna start mixing everything together. As you can tell, that egg is already starting to cook, so we are flipping this just in time. Now, I did grease my blackstone with some avocado oil, but you can use whatever you like. Avocado oil is just what's recommended for this type of grill. Oh my goodness, I can tell that those hash browns are starting to soften up. Those eggs are starting to get nice and cooked into them. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. So easy, so quick. And if you don't like the shredded hash browns, you can also use the diced hash browns that have like the peppers and the onions in it. You could add some peppers and onions to this. It is completely customizable. All right, I think we got that nice and mixed together. One more kind of scoop, and then we're gonna go ahead and flatten this out one more time. All right, our bacon still is a little raw, so we're gonna go ahead and add our cheese to our hash browns here. And I have 2 bags of this triple cheddar that we're gonna put right on top. Kind of spread that out. Come in with my 2nd bag of triple cheddar. And I know this seems like it's kind of messy, but you know, when you're feeding a large amount of people, this is gonna be great because you keep the mess outdoors and you get a huge serving in no time. All right, so we have our bacon here, we have our hash browns with our eggs. We're gonna go ahead and close this up so the cheese can get melted and that bacon can finish cooking off. Okay, everything is nice and cooked. We can go ahead and turn off our blackstone. And before we chow down, I'm gonna come in with some green onions. And I did wash these last night, so they are ready to go. I just think green onions are the perfect touch for this easy breakfast. But we have our cheesy egg hash browns, and then we have our perfectly cooked bacon, and they cooked at around the same amount of time, which is why this breakfast is so great in a pinch. But yeah, we're going ahead and getting our green onions on top of our entire hash brown mixture. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put our bacon onto our paper towel so we can drain some of that grease super quick. We'll go ahead and put those to the side. And now it's time to serve up our cheesy hash browns. And this one's quite easy because you can just go right in and grab a piece. Oh my. Goes right into your bowl. Grab a piece or 2 of bacon. I like it crispy. And then breakfast is served. Oh.
Is it good?
Woo. It's hot, but it is so delicious.